Clarissa is frantically scribbling. She's calling out to Paige. Get on the phone. Call Tiffinalia. We need her here. It's happening. The one in green will look around, confused, and runs out into the vestibule. And outside, I think we're about at the same point where we were. John, you've got your hand down Ollie's pants. They're super glue.
Yep.
This is really awkward.
Yep.
Glowing yellow light coming from inside of the chapel. Judas looks at it, looks back at you two.
It wasn't us.
Short, all-powerful one. Can you regrow limbs?
Wait.
Is that a yes or a no?
In theory?
Yep, he's gonna...
No. No.
Oh.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No.
He's...
Oh god, I'm not there.
Oh god.
Oh.
Disembodied hand touching your dick?
I thought was gonna go the other way.
Yeah, no, his dick's gonna end up in my hand.
As this look passes between you, he pulls out a wicked-looking dagger. Says, your pick. Your dick, his hand. Cutting one of them off. You have 10 seconds.
My dick.
I got. Oh god.
Yeah, I'm useless right now anyways. This is gonna be a series of unfortunate events and this is my fault. But
John is retching.
wait,
As
Judas, please do me the kindness of doing what I know you already want to do and just knock me unconscious.
he looks you in the eyes, and you see something pass over them, something pass behind them that frightens you a little bit. He says, sleep. Unless you resist, you pass the fuck out.
Aren't we immune? Like it just doesn't work, it straight up fizzles? I thought that's what the book said.
God, I hope no. Can I want it to work?
You know what? You can pass out from terror. You're close enough.
Yeah, thank God.
So it may not have worked, but it worked.
I faint.
Yeah, you absolutely faint.
Oh God. Luckily, I can regrow a limb with healing prayer. It takes a long time. But
You honestly think you're gonna go home without a dick, and it's not going to be solved within 24 hours?
oh thank God. He could have just yanked John's hand really hard. And taken some skin.
Not gonna lie, his first instinct was to rip John's arm off.
Glad he didn't do that, because that would have been even worse.
Yeah, he was just gonna take both of them off.
Still wincing. This makes my character more relatable, because I too learned at 24 years old that life has consequences.
As swiftly and efficiently as he can, he slides his wickedly sharp blade down your pants and severs your dick
My dick!
with a quick crescent cut. He also severs the denim around the situation, effectively freeing John's hand, still holding the super glue covered dick.
I'm shaking it. It's not coming off. I'm shaking it.
No.
Blood sprays everywhere. At which point, Oliver, you're gonna wake back up. If only temporarily.
And I pray the gods above.
That looks rough, buddy. That looks rough.
What a series of unfortunate events.
You have medicine, John.
No.
Luckily, somebody does, and he does kind of want him alive.
Only sorta.
You gain 2 health levels. You're up to wounded as he patches you up.
Okay, so with that, between my life sphere and healing prayer,
I think empathy is the closest thing to persuasion that we've got. So I think stamina plus empathy should be the situation as you are begging your deities for a little bit of leniency. This is going to be vulgar magic. Heal 6 levels of damage.
DP return.
Wait a second. You forgot a crucial step there.
Oh god.
Do you want more paradox? Because this is how you get more paradox. It's not really how you get more paradox, but you are missing a crucial step here that you are begging, but begging to whom? What does Oliver say?
Oh dear lord. Oliver is on the perceived verge of death by bleeding.
I don't actually believe that any one of us is addressed as my lord.
I'd take it.
Already answered a prayer today.
Yeah, that's true.
That one is the knower of hot dogs, so as you're calling out, nothing happens.
Shit.
Judas is dragging you by the hand into the church.
The lady who gave me advice about not using magic in public, please regrow my cock.
Well, Xandra, you are the one who gave advice about not using vulgar magic. Is that a set of titles, a true name that you would answer to?
Knower of the lost. Like, I understand he's reaching out to me. Now I'll answer to that. He's gonna have to come up with a better name. I say, oh, yeah, sure, let me see your character sheet. Then I would like to... we're not physically at the same table, and you can't send me a digital copy of your physical sheet. Metaphysically, I would like to erase the damage from the sheet. If we were all around the same table, I would have you pass me the character sheet, and I would change it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Say, that's vulgar magic again, but yeah, you really do need a wing, don't you, buddy? That's my response to the prayer.
It does spontaneously grow back underneath the bandages. Quite a bit of denim is still super glued around your crotch area. It definitely does sting a little bit to walk, but your dick is not super glued at the moment.
But I am just shirt cocking in the most awkward way anybody ever has.
Jude is dragging you by the hand. John, you shaking this thing as Jude grabs Oliver by the hand and starts pulling him into the church.
I don't know what's going on. This is foul and wrong.
Opens the door, pulls Ollie in, closes it.
I'm going in. Fuck. God damn it. Stupid. Fuck. God.
Judas strides in with purpose, dragging Ollie along like a suitcase.